हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल एस्ट्रो किताब में। वेलकम टू ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स। सो टुडे आई विल डिस्कस और कैन से I will share the information, the book that was one of the important book regarding topic is Ashtak Varga. So those all my friends learning astrology, they know what is the importance of Ashtak Varga, how we can predict very accurately with the help of Ashtak Varga. So this is one of the best book which is written by Professor P.S. Shastriji in English. So the book name is Secret of Ashtak Varga, written by, as earlier told you, by Professor P.S. Shastriji. A unique work dealing with the problem related to our day-to-day lives. So in this book, in chapter 1, learn about importance of Ashtak Varga, Ashtak Varga Rekhas for the planet Sun to Rahu from their natal position. In chapter 2, we learn about Bhinnashtak Varga. It is one of the important topic in Ashtak Varga, as all those who know about Ashtak Varga. So in chapter 1, the Bhinnashtak Varga can say the result of sign with auspicious point, deduction of rekhas and bindus explained, result of rekhas in sign, result of 1 to 8 rekhas of sun, result of sun bindus, result of moon rekhas and bindu, same as for all planets in this book, in this chapter. And later on can say inauspicious year from the sun rekhas, result of planets from moon to Saturn in different houses, result of other planets in Saturn Ashtak Varga, knowledge of bad times by the Saturn rekhas and transit, and lots more in this chapter 2. Name is Bhinnashtak Varga. In chapter 3, we learn about aggregate Ashtak Varga. Aggregate Ashtak Varga charts result of total number of rekhas in each house and each sign, result of planets with rekhas in each house and each sign, result of planets with few rekhas in own house, friend's house, in exaltation, in Shadvarga of benefics, and lots more in chapter 3. In chapter 4, we learn about Ashtak Varga of transiting planet, can say Gochar. So formulation of chart, how to formate of chart, placement of planets, result of a planet transiting a sign, transiting period of a planet in one sign, Rekha Bindu, planet governing parts of the body, result of houses transited by planets, large number of rekhas and time of auspicious event, auspicious and inauspicious result from Chandra Rekha, necessity of reduction in Ashtak Varga, and lots more in chapter 4. Chapter 5, Prashastra Ashtak Varga, reduction of terminal signs, reduction for a planet owning 2 signs, sign multipliers. Chapter 6, result of Ashtak Varga arising from the planets. It's one of the important chapter also in chapter 6 in this book. Ashtak Varga of sun, problem concerning father. Sun completes unfinishing work of a father, wealth from father. Ashtak Varga of the sun and physical elements. Matter related to the Ashtak Varga of moon, troubles of mother. Matter related to the Ashtak Varga of Kuj, matter related to Mercury and Jupiter, lack of children, troubles to progeny, matter related to Venus, number and nature of wives, direction of marriages, birth sign of wives, trouble to the wife, and lots more in this chapter. Can say the trouble matter related to Saturn Ashtakvarga, time of death, Karka planet, result of weak planets, and lots more. Now move to the chapter 7. Result of the Ashtakvarga from the houses, signification of the houses, promotion and destruction of houses, result of planets in the Trik house, result of rekhas in house, result of houses without rekha, result of houses by transit, Ashtakvarga result through transit, time of destruction of a houses, month of troubles. Wow, great, one of the important topics. And difficulties, month of death. So I think chapter 7 gives you very unique information in this book. Chapter 8, longevity based on Ashtakvarga. Ashtakvarga longevity, mandala should longevity and medium longevity, single sign reduction, reduction in enemy houses, Chandra reduction, reduction due to defeat in war, due to placement of Sun and Moon with Rahu and Ketu, due to debilation and conjunction, loss of longevity due to placement of planets in 12th, 11th, 10th, 9th, 8th, 5th, 7th and 6th houses, calculation of longevity by different methods, period of planets in Ashtakvarga, and lots more in chapter 8. Now move to chapter 9. Arista from Ashtakvarga. Death by transit of Shani. Knowledge of death through the 30th decade of Sun and Moon from Lagan. Time of death by transit of Sun and Moon. Consideration of the Lagna of death, time, Jiva, Diha and Mandi Sadhana. Significance of Ashtakvarga, importance of the book about the author. So I think this is one of the best book to know about completely, or can say to learn about Ashtakvarga. You can learn easily with this book, and then after that you can do practice as maximum you can do. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Press the icon button so you get the notification. And if you want to buy this book, you want to know anything more about this book, you can contact us anytime through my WhatsApp number or can mail me. Again, thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.